Hi everyone, my name is Andrew with B&H Photo. In this video, I am going to explain how to go around or fix your privacy settings so that you can remember your BI and KBID to use the B&H Photo EZ Bookmarklet tool. Before we start fixing, I'm going to show you how we're able to duplicate the problem so that you can confirm that this is the issue that you are experiencing and that what we're trying to fix. So first of all, we are going to try to log in to the EZ Bookmarklet. This is my KBID and BI num, so please don't use those, use your own. Once I'm activated, you can see and confirm that it's generating a trackable link, and that's working. So I am going to also confirm that here on the top right hand corner that your BI num is there and your KBID is also there. So I'm going to close the EZ Bookmarklet tool right now, and I am going to relaunch it. As long as you're relaunching it without shutting down Safari, it will always work. However, if I'm going to shut down Safari by quitting it completely, and then I am going to relaunch Safari, and then I will go into EZ Bookmarklet, you will notice that your KBID and BI num are not saved. Hence, this is the annoying part. All right, so now the next part is how to fix this. To fix this, you go to Safari, you go to Preference, and you go to this Privacy tab right here. Privacy tab right here. And then you notice that this website tracking is checked. It prevents cross-site tracking. We would need for you to uncheck this setting so that we can store information in your Safari browser so that it will remember your BI and KBID. All right, so after you uncheck that, go ahead and close it, and you would need to quit Safari completely. All right, after that, you relaunch Safari once more, and then we'll go ahead and test it to make sure it works. So we launch EZ Bookmarklet. We put in the BI, KBID, and your SID, optional. And we confirm that it's working. It is signed in. Go ahead and close that. Excuse me. And we will go ahead and quit Safari completely so that we can relaunch it and confirm that it is actually working now. Okay, so we'll relaunch it again. Wait until the website comes up. Activate the EZ Bookmarklet. There. As you can see, even after you completely shut down Safari, it still works. Well, that's it, folks. Just want to explain to you that the key point here is you go to Preference and you make sure that the Prevent Cross-Site Tracking is unchecked. And then after that is unchecked, you want to make sure that you quit Safari completely before logging in using your BI and KBID to start using it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is useful. If it is, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.